All right, we are back here at the Ravens Best. 2 blue shirts, 2 of our best at the Ravens Best coming out. Winner side battle between Fallen and Sonido. Sonido being our resident champion here at the Ravens Best. He is firmly in control of this tournament and has not lost in a very, very long while. Fallen, I believe he has taken games off Sonido before, so he's going to have to put 2 together if he wants to continue in winner's bracket. It is going to be very difficult, but if anybody can do it, our resident Mega Man can. Starting out on PS2, as you might expect, throwing out a saw blade to stop the spin dash. Grab combos coming out of Sonido. The percent is building quickly, as you might expect from a Sonic player. (22 to 56). Lands a forward air, throws him off stage. A spring hits him on the head, but the percent is not high enough to get the stage spike. Fallen's got to look out for that as the set goes forward. Manages to avoid that forward smash. Gets a dash attack, kicks Mega Man in the back. Mega Man back throws him off stage and lands a very, very good spike. That was a risky option to the max, and it paid off for him, but Sonido is not one to be threatened by a deficit, and quickly the game is now back in his control. He is dictating the pace of this match. Fallen getting an SD as he calls out the leaf shield off stage. Not looking good for him in this game 1. Spin dashes into a grab. I'm not sure what kind of interaction that was. Hits him with a down air out of the spin dash. He up airs the shield. Fallen is looking to put on some percent here, but instead it is Sonido that is building up. Although that was a good little conversion there. Up airs to force him out of a shield. Attempts to side B him, it is blocked, and he lands a forward air off stage. Makes it back to the stage with an air dodge, does Fallen. A down throw. Wow, and a tech is not going to help Fallen there as a back air comes out from Sonido. Taking game 1 in relatively dominant fashion, with the only firm moment of Fallen's being that down air off stage, which immediately was made up for. Huh?
Sub it in real quick. Get started. Oh, yeah, that spring's gonna be a big deal. Yep. Yeah, he's got the reads, man. You do not want to go off stage against Sonido. He will ruin your whole game. Sonic has really good mobility off stage. Leafs has to get rid of him. Ooh, goes above ledge. Okay, lemons. Ooh, just barely avoids the back air. Okay, Leafs to keep him out. It's very unsafe. He got punished for leads a lot in game 1. Oh, that's scary. That is so scary. He's just sitting there menacingly in the air, charging it. Oh! Oh, the F smash. There it is. Whips the grab, the immediate F smash punish. Well, all right. New commentator. Here we go.